So if you've been a subscriber up until this point, you've probably noticed that I've been absent for the past couple of weeks. Still gaining subscribers though, you guys are badass. I have been a very busy man. Me and my friend slash roommate slash fellow YouTuber Brennan had an epiphany about, well, our entire businesses. We realized that we weren't exactly doing things right with our education businesses and that things needed to change fast. So over the past 3 weeks, I have been working away at that, getting it exactly how I like it, and now I believe it's at a fantastic point. And then I realized, hey, it's a good time for some teaching. So here's the thing, this whole thing, this video that you're watching right now, this is all part of my business. Everything I have done and will do on this channel is to grow my education business. Crazy concept, right? But for the longest time, I wasn't running it like a business. See, there's some fundamental online things businesses need to do in order to find success. Half-assing things just does not cut it. Sorry to break it to you wide-eyed followers of Team Jet Set, there's no shortcut. Then I was like, damn, things on my business need to be changed immediately. And then I realized, damn, the things that I'm doing to my business can also be applied to your business. Yes, that's right. Yours. So let's go over exactly what I did to take my personal business to the next level, and then we'll go ahead and take a step back and look at how you can apply these same principles to your online business. So first things first, I've been doing some things right, thank God. The main thing here is that I've always been providing value. I have well over 100 videos on my channel at this point, only about 6 months into the life of it, providing super valuable, detailed information that anybody can get for absolutely free. So this gives people like you a few things. First, it gives you a reason to stick around. I'm not shoving something down your throats every 6 seconds trying to get you to buy something like a bunch of online marketers. You could watch all of my videos for absolutely free, not buy anything, and still get an absolute crap ton of value out of it. Additionally, it proves I know what the hell I'm talking about. These videos show my knowledge and my style of teaching right off the bat. There's no hiding it. Now the problem is, I lose you guys fast. Not as subscribers per se, but you're not in my control the way that you would want your customers to generally be in your control. Before, I was entirely depending on YouTube. All of my marketing, all of my reaching of you guys was through my YouTube videos, and this was not good. So then I realized I needed a back-end marketing strategy, something to keep you guys around, something to keep providing you guys value with outside of my main outlet of YouTube. Having a single outlet where you reach your customers, such as me only focusing on YouTube or you only using Facebook ads to target cold traffic, is basically the same as never getting the balls to contact that super hot girl you met at the club last week. She's awesome and had a lot of potential, but you never really went further to get more involved with her. So now she's on to bigger and better things. Is that relatable enough for you? Now the best way to get a good back-end email marketing system going is through email. Great, I need to collect emails. So how in the hell do I get people to give me theirs? I need to actually call up my 70-year-old grandma because she probably emails a lot more than I do. Easy, provide value. I've been giving stuff out for free all the way up until this point, and I'm gonna keep giving free stuff away. In this case, I have a 20-page case study PDF training thing that's absolutely awesome, gets sent straight to your email right after you sign up, so why wouldn't you sign up? Okay, so I've got the emails, now what? So I was originally just gonna sell them to one of those spam companies that's always offering me discounts on Viagra for some reason, but then I remembered the funnel. So here's the basic gist of how that goes. So my email marketing backend actually consists of 7 separate emails sent over the course of 1 week, and each email accomplishes something different. Now the first email right here is actually just introducing myself and giving the free value. Hold up, I almost forgot. I have a thing called an OTO. Now this stands for a one-time offer, and this is something that comes up after I already give people their free little training thing. And as the name suggests, amazingly, it's only available this one time. Now OTOs are supposed to beautifully complement the free training that you're offering to more incentivize people to buy, and that's what I've done. My OTO is offering a way to structure a business plan to achieve the type of success of the businesses that I show in my free offer. Now it's totally optional, but it may help some people out, may give them quite a bit of value, and may help them make some more money. Awesome. Okay, so back to the emails. Day 2 starts a 3-day training sequence. In this training, I go over the essentials of dropshipping and e-commerce and running an online business. Now, this section is very beginner friendly, but still pretty valuable and just gives free, easy value. That's the big thing right there. So I'm basically doing the opposite of spam calling. For 3 straight days, all that I'm doing is offering... This dude just walked right by my window and was staring at me hard. For 3 straight days, all that I'm doing is providing very solid, helpful value. I'm asking for nothing in return. It's just warming people up to me, getting them excited about what I'm gonna be offering them later. All is well. Now, the 3rd day of training, at the very end, I introduce my big ticket item. My training course. Yes, warning, I have a course. Believe it or not, I spend hours upon hours of every single day making this content in a partial effort to make money on top of the education and helping people out. Insane concept, I know. Now, I don't shove it down people's throats. Not ever, but especially not here. I'm just introducing it, telling a little bit about it, and being like, hey, if you've liked your free training that I've given you up until this point, you would absolutely love to have this longer training course right here. Tells you all about how to make an online business, it's way too cheap, blah blah, talk up the perks incredibly, even though I'm just gonna say, I live up to the hype. So after that little training and the introduction of the course, I've got 3 more emails that give a different pitch for the course and just talk it up a little bit. Still not too salesy, but this is a big sales move. Now the course is my big ticket item, so of course I want to spend a lot of time on this and make it really nice. Now, the reason why it took me 4 days to mention my course is because you need to build up to it. So there's a thing called the value ladder, and that's where you slowly offer more and more to people and ease them into the bigger purchases. So I started off with my free offer, and then I built that up to my OTO, which was pretty damn cheap. And then after that, I went and offered the course, and that's only after offering a ton of value, and this results in quite a bit of money. Woohoo. After that, it's pretty much all over. You get sent into my main broadcast list where 99.5% of every email sent through there is just pure unadulterated value. No sales, no nothing, just giving you guys the best content. You can call me the anti-Viagra salesman. So these emails keep you coming back for more. The steady value gives you information that you need to build your business, it establishes legitimacy, and just gives you a reason to keep coming back and getting your information from me. I mean, it's badass. So if I ever come out with another educational material, I've now got a bunch of super engaged, ready to learn people that will potentially spring on it and give it that nice little boost right at the beginning. This is awesome. Now, all I do on top of making constant YouTube videos and blog posts is push people into this funnel. It's a process that shows immediate results. Hell, I sold an OTO on the very first day that I put things up. It was incredible. So now, in the off chance that YouTube were to go down entirely, I'd still be screwed. Straight up, I would be absolutely boned. However, down the line, once my list is entirely built up, I'm gonna be fully independent, baby. Now you may be saying, Zach, that's good for you, fantastic, buddy, go kill him, but how in the hell does this apply to my business where I sell things like frog socks, for example? Well, whether you're selling socks that look like frogs or socks that your frog can wear, you can use these same strategies for your website. All right, there's 2 parts. First is value. You have to provide value. I see too many people going out there and they're just like, hey, buy my frog socks. And that's absolutely terrible. If you're not providing value, why would anybody want to follow you and stick around and see what you have to offer if they're not getting anything out of it? Provide cute images of frogs, write enticing articles about frog companionship, and just get people very excited about the idea and the passion of frogs, not just frog socks. This will get people coming back back and get them hooked on your brand, which will then make them a lot more likely to actually purchase any offers that you present to them in the future. Next is back-end marketing. Now, most people ignore this. Hell, most YouTubers ignore this. They spend a ton of money to get traffic. These people buy one product from them and then they never order from them again. This is terrible. You are getting what I like to call one-night stand customers. Now, this also loses a ton of money. If you don't know, or if you know anything about business, you know that companies lose a lot of money acquiring new customers. However, once they have their customer, they're really, really good at milking them for more money than just that single order's worth. See, milk. There is a legitimate reason for me being in the kitchen right now for that one joke. So get people into your funnel. Now don't worry about profit here. That's not really something we're gonna be focusing on. We just want to get people into our funnel. So you could offer free plus shipping products where shipping is literally $2 to where it literally just covers shipping. Remember what I said, we're not going for profit here. You could offer a free download of a PDF relating to something specific within your niche, or you could even just run a contest if that works for you. Basically anything that you can advertise and get a bunch of people super excited about and jumping on the opportunity to get in on it. So you'll probably lose a little bit of money here, but don't be scared. This is what separates the boys and the men. Not to be confused with Boys II Men, the fantastic musical group. So after this, you've got the OTO. Now, the OTO is largely to liquidate the ad spend that you use to get people into your funnel in the first place. You want to offer a product or service that beautifully complements your free initial offer. So if your company is all about conservation and your free thing is like a PDF on like 10 steps to reduce waste in your household, you should offer an item that is complementary to that, such as, let's just say, reusable drinking straws or something else woke. Once again, it's got to complement the free offer, and you're aiming to make just enough money to cover the cost of the ad spend to get people into your actual email sequence. Next, we're in the funnel. Now, you don't need to offer a training like I do. However, you need to offer something that is enticing, that's exciting, and that's valuable. You really need to provide value because you do not want your customers being like, damn, another email about their damn straws, and then condemning you to spam. That is awful. Now, an example of a type of content that you can put in here is like a short 3-part video series. Let's say you have a healthy living type store. You can have a 3-part series of somebody talking about their transition into living a more healthy, natural lifestyle with, of course, some product placement thrown in there. Or if you have a survival store, you can have a 3-part video series with someone telling about their horror stories of their survival and throw in some product placement that could be like, hey, we could solve this problem. The opportunities and the possibilities are absolutely endless. Now remember, you got to keep it fun, engaging, and valuable. All 3 of those things, you got to check all the boxes. So after that, we're going big ticket, and this is basically your equivalent of my course that I am offering. So think about what you want to be basing the entirety of your marketing about. This is what you really, really want to push. Now, a lot of people opt for kind of like the multi-box approach, which is putting a bunch of different related things into a box and selling that as like a bulk thing. And that's great. However, I highly recommend you just get very, very creative here. Structure the next few emails talking the hell out of this offer. Mention every single benefit that it offers. Get people so excited about this offer that they simply can't pass it up, especially not after you've provided them with so much free value, just days and days and days worth. You also want to kind of create some scarcity, saying the offer is only available for a few days or whatever. Now, I don't do this. I feel that's kind of scummy in this little area, but for most people, yeah, that works totally fine. After that, send them into your main email broadcast list, the list that's going to get all of your individual email blasts. But don't stop there with them. Continue to email them, I would say at least twice a week, with information that's equal parts fun, entertaining, which is kind of the same thing, concise, and just informative. Never get too salesy, even if you are actually selling a product. Remember, it's all about value. And honestly, that's it. Screw those fools spending $500,000 on Facebook ads to get $510,000 in return off of one-time customers and one single product that's going to die out. Use this funnel strategy and you will keep people around forever, just like how I'm keeping you around forever. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was super fun to make and also took so long. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button down below. Check out those videos over there. I know you'll like those. And also visit my website. There's a button right below me. And I'll see you guys around. Peace out.